Hi guys, welcome to Binize channel. In this video, we will show you how to use AirPlay in Binize 9-inch CarPlay head unit. First of all, find computer icon at the bottom of the head unit. And then open the WLAN settings on your iPhone and search the device name of the head unit. Wait a sec and the Wi-Fi will be connected. After the Wi-Fi icon shows in your iPhone, and you can open the mirror link function. Click the screen mirroring, and then find the device name. Wait a sec, and the screen will show in the head unit. Here are all steps to use AirPlay in 9-inch head unit. If you have any questions, you can just type here or contact us on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and we are Binize.